Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start now. Identify the Dell model and confirm BIOS and Windows builds so you know which recovery path applies. Next, find the Bitlocker recovery key. Check your Microsoft account, USB stick, Azure AD, or any printed recovery sheet. This is the one thing that unlocks the drive. While you're at it, make sure you have admin credentials and a second internet-enabled device for account access and downloads. These steps save time because Bitlocker won't allow shortcuts without the correct key. Once you've got the key, boot into the Dell boot menu, F12, or the Windows recovery environment and choose the prompt to enter the Bitlocker recovery key. This immediately attempts to unlock the volume. If Windows boots, open an elevated command prompt and run Manage BDE status, then Manage BDE Unlock D. Recovery password your 48-digit KEY to decrypt. If a TPM or firmware mismatch blocks you, update BIOS and TPM firmware. Dell updates restore TPM key compatibility. After unlocking, suspend Bitlocker, then back up or regenerate the recovery key in Windows Security so you avoid repeating this. If you can't find the key, check Azure AD or Intune device records, the linked Microsoft account, or contact your organization's help desk. These stores often hold the 48-digit key. Once resolved, make sure BIOS and Windows are updated and create redundant recovery backups on USB and cloud. If something still fails, power cycle the device and retry entry. Sometimes TPM wakes after a full shutdown.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.